Alright. So, I made the last video so I could basically make this video. And, like I said, I probably should have introduced the string just a little bit earlier in the series, but we're here it is now. And, let's go over it. So, we have this string that's assigned a value. And let's say I want to assign a character a letter out of this string. Okay, I want to refer to the string and grab the first letter. Let's say the first letter is T. Okay? What we are going to do, we're going to use the variable name, which is str. That was what I chose my name to be for the string variable. And we're going to have a dot. And if you're using this IDE, you have a lot of different options as your methods. Okay, now we haven't even talked about methods. We haven't even talked about basically anything that refers to this. So we're just going to stick with the char at. All right, we can actually start typing it in. Okay, so don't worry about all that stuff yet. Let's just focus on the char at. So whatever the name of your variable is, dot char at. And of course we need a left parenthesis and a right parenthesis. Okay, so now in this parenthesis will go a number. So now this is the part where I wanted to talk about arrays before I really dug into the strings, but we're going to have to get into this portion of the strings right now. We're going to type in 0. Okay, so why are we typing in 0? Because 0 is the first character, okay, of this string. Alright, character is... Now, alright, here it goes. Let's go ahead and run this. Now, why doesn't this start at 1? Alright, so all arrays. Now, this is an array of characters. We're going to talk about arrays a little bit. This string, right? The first instance of the string is always 0, right? This always starts at 0. Okay, so we're getting this character, and it prints out a capital T. And then we say character is 0. So this is how we're going to access a character out of a string, by using this string.char at. So if I named this string something different, let's say I named it XYZ, or XYZ, then this variable doesn't exist. I'd have to name this one XYZ. I don't know if that was obvious. I don't know if that was common sense, but I just wanted to make that clear. Let's say we wanted to get the second character, right? We'd have to use 1. So the character, the first character starts at 0, the index 0. The next character starts at index 1. So this is the index value that we're going to access. And now it's an H, right? Which is the second character. Now, what if we want to get the last character? We would have to count them all. Okay? Actually, let's not get into that. Let's not get into that yet. Not yet, okay? So, right now, that's going to conclude this video. We learned how to access a character out of a string. Now, there is a lot to go over on the string, and it's extremely important, just not right now. Alright, we're still in basic training. We still need to go through some loopings, through some loops and more if statements, some logical operators, before we go over the strings. And I want to cover arrays first before we go over more on the string. Alright, well, that's going to conclude this video. Thank you for watching, and we're going to use this quite a bit in the next several videos so I can make the example that I want to make. Again, thank you for watching, and let's pick back up from the if statement where we left off.